Now question number 3. For a given mechanism, again try to find out degree of freedom. So tell me how many degree of freedom we have for a given mechanism. So first let's try to find out the capital N total number of links here. First, entire fixed base 1, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. So these are the 7 links. Then we have the prismatic joint as well, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then here we have the moving platform. So total 14 links are there, including the fixed link. How many joints we have? J1 lower pair joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 prismatic joint here, right? What about revolute joint? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this revolute joint? No. See the symbols here, okay? So let me remove this one. I hope you got how we got 14 number of links here, okay? That's it. Now here we have 6 prismatic joint for sure. You can see here, right? These are the 6 one prismatic. Now what is this? This is basically a what universal joint. Universal joint is having 2 degree of freedom. Remember. What about this spherical? Here we have a spherical joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have how many degree of freedom? So how many universal joint? We have 6 universal joint, and here we have 6 spherical joint. That is what a stable platform 6 UPX. 6 UPS means what? 6 universal joint, 6 prismatic joint, and 6 spherical joint is what? 6 UPS platform here. Okay, and the degree of freedom for this particular mechanism will be what? Let's try to find out. So if you observe, this is basically a what? Spatial mechanism. Spatial manipulator, or we can say spatial mechanism, right? Stable platform example. Now for this we have to use this particular formula. For a spatial mechanism, m equals to 6 n minus 1 minus summation of I varies from 1 to m 6 minus ci. Because here we have 6 degree of freedom, because it can move in any direction, any orientation here, right? Now see, degree of freedom is basically a what? 6 n minus 1 minus 6 minus summation of I varies from 1 to m 6 minus ci here. So 6 into n minus 1 will be 13 here, minus here we have what? You can say summation of for all the joints. Now here we have 6 prismatic joint having 1 degree of freedom. Here we have 6 universal joint having 2 degree of freedom. Here we have 6 spherical joint having 3 degree of freedom. Okay, so you have to remember all these things. Now if I just sum it up, let's try to find out. So for first 6 a prismatic joint, so 6 into 6 minus 1 plus 6 into 6 minus 2 for universal plus 6 into 6 minus 3 for spherical here. Because we have 6 prismatic joint, that's why 6 minus 1. We have 6 universal joint, 6 minus 2. We have 6 spherical joint, that's why 6 minus 3. So you can see 6 into 13, and this will be what? 6 5s are 30 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 6 3s are 18. So you can do the calculation now. 6 13s are, that will be what? 78, and here we got 54 plus 18, that is basically a 72. So having a 6 degree of freedom. So this is the example of what? Stable platform here having 6 degree of freedom, 6 UPS. Okay, I guess we have discussed this in one of the slides also. So let me show you that also. So you can see a stable platform, 6 UPS having 6 degree of freedom, right? And 6 universal, 6 prismatic, and 6 spherical joint. Okay. So I hope whatever we have discussed in this particular video, you are able to understand that. And now if I give any mechanism, any diagram or any statement, you must be able to find out First thing, number of links, either total number of links or moving links. Then number of joints, you must be able to figure it out, number of joints with respect to its degree of freedom. Okay, so which type of joint we have, prismatic, spherical, universal, revolute, and their respective degree of freedom. And you must be able to find out degree of freedom or mobility of a mechanism. Okay, this is very important. If you understand this much, you can get 2 marks in the GATE exam for sure. 101% there will be one question based on degree of freedom. They will give the mechanism and you have to find out degree of freedom. Okay, so concept is this much only. You need to solve lot more questions. So please do attempt the quiz and the subject wise test. We have added lot more questions like this to solve. We have added lot more questions like this for practice. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.